Peaks behind us.
Elliot.
This is so cool up here.
Gotcha.
As much fun as I'm having, I really miss both of you guys. Wish you both were here with me. So, in the bottom of the screen,
There we go. That's
right down here are clouds, because we're above the clouds. And then when you look out over the water, Puget Sound's right here. And all that white is fog over the water. Right there is a lake. Directly in front of us right there, if you can see that. Zoom in. That's Mount Rainier. That is a volcano that's on the other side of Seattle. That's a dormant volcano. And then if we pan over this way, yeah, let's see if we can zoom in on this. That, really far away and in the background there, is Mount St. Helens, the volcano that erupted a while ago. Let's back up a little bit. And we come down here. There's a third volcano down there. Let's give it time to adjust. Sorry, that's going in and out of focus. My hand's jittery a little bit, and it's trying to focus on something that's miles and miles and miles away. So, look at that. It's so beautiful. So there we're looking towards the south. So the winter sun's in the southern sky. Puget Sound is to our west. The volcano's inland. And we come all the way around here. And this shows you the mountain roads. See that road down there that we drove up to come up here? And then I'll turn around here if I can. And you can see the gang. Ricky's taking video from the rocks. We're parked back there. There's Mark. Or Mark was taking pictures from the big rock. Ricky was taking from the little rock. Nathan's back there. All right, we're talking to Lewis and TJ.
Hey guys, what's up? Really wish you were up here, man. This is one of the most beautiful spots in Washington.
Just absolutely breathtaking. It's just so beautiful up here.
This is actually my secret spot that I come when I can't handle life. I come up here and I just look at everything around me and realize how sometimes my problems are a little bit smaller when you sit up here and you just look at all of Washington.
Maybe you guys can use this video yourselves so you guys can come to Nathan's spot when you guys are feeling bad too. We got a lot of video of it for you.
It is. And the best part about this is you guys, we're looking hundreds of miles into Washington and we don't see anything but nature. Nice and peaceful.
Let's take one more look at the snow up in the mountains. Love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. I'll try to get these posted for you tonight.